To convert data into a table, first select the target data. Be advised that this tool only works if the text is correctly separated. Then click Insert, Table and convert text to table. The tool appears on screen with a list of options. With these tools you can specify the number of columns required, determine how Word should auto-fit the text and decide how the text is to be separated. Word populates this information from the table by default, but always double-check the settings to make sure they match your requirements. Click OK when you are ready to proceed. Your text is transformed into a table. Note that you might need to adjust the table or fix the formatting. Next, here's how to convert a table into plain text with the Convert Table to Text dialog box. The Convert Table to Text dialog box appears on screen. Next, specify how you want your data to be separated. It's best to pick either tabs or commas. Select OK to convert the table. Your table appears as plain text.